Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about template inheritance. Template inheritance in Django enables the creation of a base template that can be extended by child templates. By utilizing this feature, code repetition is minimized and templates can be managed more efficiently. For instance, a base template can contain the common structure of a website, such as a header and footer, while individual pages can extend this base template and only focus on their unique content. This approach streamlines template design and maintenance in Django projects. In Django, developers can craft a base template with shared website components like headers, footers, and navigation bars. Subsequently, child templates can extend this base template and modify particular sections to individualize their content. For instance, a web application might have a base template encompassing a consistent menu and footer across all pages, while differing content like page-specific details can be altered in child templates for distinct pages or sections. The base.html file serves as a master template in which other templates can be built upon. It features blocks that can be filled with specific content in child templates using the $block_sent tag. In this case, there are two blocks defined: title and content. The title block sets the web page title, while the content block includes the main content of the web page. By extending base.html in child templates, you can customize and fill in these blocks with unique content. For instance, in a child template named home.html, you could extend base.html and fill the content block with specific content for the home page. Similarly, in a child template named about.html, you could customize the content block to display details about your website or company. This hierarchical structure allows for easy maintenance and consistency across multiple pages on a website. A child template named home.html extends the base.html template. The title block is overridden to display homepage, and the content block contains a welcome message: "Welcome to my website." This structure ensures that the home.html template inherits the layout defined in base.html while customizing specific sections such as title and content. This method allows for consistent design and easy maintenance across multiple pages on a website. Template inheritance in web development allows for code reusability by defining common elements in a base template and reusing them in multiple child templates. Any modifications to the base template will be automatically cascaded to all child templates that extend it, simplifying maintenance. Moreover, this inheritance system aids in organizing and structuring templates more logically, enhancing overall development efficiency. For instance, in a corporate website, by implementing template inheritance, you can create a base template for the header and footer sections, which can be inherited across various pages, while ensuring uniformity and ease of updates. Template inheritance in Django enables developers to create a base template containing a common structure and layout, which can be extended by other templates. This approach saves time and effort by eliminating the need to duplicate code across multiple templates. For example, a website may have a base template defining the overall structure with header, footer, and sidebar. Subsequent child templates can then extend this base template to add specific content unique to each page, ensuring consistency and ease of maintenance. By utilizing template inheritance, developers can efficiently organize and maintain their templates within a Django project. Template inheritance is like baking a cake using a family recipe, where each generation adds their own unique twist to it. In programming, it is like creating a base template for a website and then having different pages inherit the same structure but adding their own content and design elements. Just like how each layer of frosting adds on to the flavor of the cake, each inherited template adds on to the functionality and aesthetics of the website. It allows for reusability of code and consistent design elements across multiple pages. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code example provided demonstrates the concept of template inheritance in Django, a web framework for building dynamic websites. Template inheritance allows developers to create a base template that defines the overall layout and structure of a web page, which can then be extended or overridden by more specific templates. In this analogy, think of the base template, base.html, as the foundational recipe for a cake. It sets the basic structure of the website, including the header, navigation menu, main content area, and footer. The sent block sent tags in the base template act like placeholders for specific content that will be filled in by the inherited templates. The inherited templates, such as home.html and about.html, use the sent extend sent tag to inherit the layout defined in the base template. They then override specific blocks, e.g. sent block title sent and sent block content sent, with their unique content, like adding different flavors and toppings to the cake. This approach to template inheritance promotes code reusability and maintains consistency across different pages of a website. By defining a base template with common elements and allowing specific templates to build upon it, developers can streamline the design process and ensure a cohesive look and feel throughout the site. Just as a family recipe evolves with each generation, template inheritance in Django allows for flexibility and scalability in web development projects. Template inheritance is a powerful concept that finds applications in various industries and real-world scenarios. Let's explore two different examples of how template inheritance can be utilized. 1. Web development, e-commerce platform. In an e-commerce platform, template inheritance can be applied to create a cohesive design structure across product pages. The base template would define the layout with sections for product details, reviews, and related products. When creating new product pages, developers can inherit from the base template, overriding specific blocks to insert unique product information, images, and pricing. This enables consistency in styling and layout while allowing for easy customization of individual product pages. 2. Marketing campaigns, email templates. Template inheritance is also commonly used in marketing campaigns to create customized email templates. A base template can include header and footer sections with branding elements, while leaving blocks for dynamic content such as personalized greetings, promotional offers, and call-to-action buttons. By extending the base template, marketers can quickly create targeted email campaigns with consistent branding and structure, ensuring a professional and cohesive look across various email communications. In conclusion, template inheritance is a versatile tool that promotes code reusability, consistency, and efficiency in design and development workflows. By leveraging this concept effectively, businesses can streamline the process of creating and maintaining templates for various purposes. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.